Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can easily create a dashboard for any pattern of the activities you have, routine activities which you want to manage and which you want to see that how much of your activities have been due and how much have you performed and how much are the overdue. And if there is some financial implication, then what is that, right? And you can add a new user having all this. So we in our previous video we showed you. Uh, Let me recap. Let me show you that this was our previous video, uh, and in which we started with this.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yeah,
Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Welcome to
yeah,
our series of videos in which we are showing you.
yeah. So this was the video. This is the video in which we have explained you that how you can manage the new user account and with a different pattern. So you can have a different pattern like last day of every month or sometime 15th of every month, and there can be so many patterns you can manage. So it comes up with a form. A new form, and we have showed you that how you select it, right? How as soon as you select a user, it starts showing you the dashboard, and this is the creation of account form. And we showed you Jim due scenario in which he has to perform 100 activities every day. Every 15th of month he has to report that he has how much have he performed. And there is a unperformed date range, right, from 15 August 2022 to 15 August 2024. So the pattern, there are different patterns. So if 100 entries he has to report, a local rate, you can enter any rate and or whatever, and enter the currency. You can have multiple currencies and for multiple users, multiple currencies. Any email address, this is very important. This is going to be used that so you have an email address. If you don't, they will be sending an email come to the data center. So this is also coming here to worry about performing the clearance of the backlog. So, so on from that email, this is going to be activated. That means the user account will be updated, entries will be done, and the report will be generated, and it will be sent to this email address of means automatically by the system. So this is very important that you have the email address and the city and country, and report title is also very important. Whatever the report title you say here. So this is that is going to be the title of your report. And so this is the new scenario in which we show you that you can have any range of the date from where you are starting the backlog, right? So, and uh, and then we showed you in our previous video that you can create the account, right? And as soon as your account is created, it is going to show you that this is your starting point. You have, right, 3,700 activities are due out of 1,000 activity have been performed, and 2,700 have are overdue. This is the backlog, and then you enter this form you're using. So you use the system also show you that what is the starting date of the backlog clearance. And as soon as you click on this row, so if there is no record entered so far for the backlog clearance, the blank will come. So you have to enter manually a starting default rate of performance. And here, for example, you have said 4 as a date of performance 4. And when you click OK, so it is going to uh, take these 4, and starting date, it is taking directly from the database. That was 15th of March. And then when you click it, so it is updated, and it shows you on the right side that every 15th of month the performance is done, and the date of performance is 15th March. It is starting the next day when you perform the next. So you click again, go here. So this time it will take add 1 to 15 March. That will become 16th of March, and it is going to run again and so it is now 16th of March, the next entry. right? And as soon as the entries are done, you are shown now this performance is increasing and backlog is decreasing, and the status is improving. That you're so this is the DB look, yeah, dashboard, the database uh, as shown in the Microsoft Access. So while you are entering the backlog clearance, so it is marking them as performed and putting a data stamp in the P date column, right? So 2 days have been entered, 15th of March and 16th of March means, and 4 days daily is doing it. So one day is 100 activities performed, right? So that is one day is 15th of every month. So 15th of every month, right? So that is actually monthly activity, right? And then when you go again and perform it, yeah. So uh, these were the here you have a column in which the performed are marked, but P date is blank. That is the automatic. I mean, it is done automatically. Means without means these were properly being done automatically, right? So this is an assumption of the system, but from now on, your activities are being recorded as per your mandate. Your mandate is 100 activities if every 15th of month. So whenever the next 15th of month will come, all the dues will be marked as performed, unless you use some unperforming process. So there is a way of marking task as unperformed. You can do that. So this is here. This is a query table. This is a query which shows you the dates in readable format. Yeah, you can see that you have 15th of August due, and that was done on 15th of March 2025. 15th of August 2022, this activity was due, and it was in the backlog. So it was done on 15th of March, along with 15 all the four activities, right? And then on 16th of March. So further 4 months backlog was done. This is how it is done. And now it is going to show you that you have done, for example, another, and then now 17th of March. So it has completed this activity, marked the marking of the activity, and you see 17th of March is also displayed in here. So this is working very fine. And let me show you one step more. In this video, we are going to show you some additional thing here, that what would happen if we roll back everything, and will the system be able uh, to roll back to the initial stage where it was before, right? Yes, it is possible. And let me stop it, yeah, and we close it, and we show you how do this. So this is our live. So first of all, since there are no activity, we have rolled back already. So first of all, we add some activity, and since there is no activity yet done, so we say, okay, 3 days. 3 day is our pattern, and we want to clear the backlog starting from the 15th of March, right? So we click OK. So 15th of March is ready to add the record, and it has the 3 days. Then 3 days means 3 months, right? In 3 months, because the pattern is 15th of every month. So 15th of August, 15th of September, 15th of October. Why it has taken? Because this was the top one available on the first come first serve basis, right? Okay, so the oldest due is going to be performed first on 15th of March. And if you add more, if you receive another notification from Duke that he has further done the span of 3 days activity, so is ready to do it this time for the 16th of March, right? Okay, the 16th. So November, December, January. Good. So day by day, it is increasing. The performance is increasing. Let's go again. Again, 3 records are being added. Okay, say yes. Now it is increasing day by day. That's good. Okay, so February, March, April 2023. If you say, let's add more. So the 3 more, the 18th of March, that's right. It's increasing and updating your class. So again, it is going on. Now, if you want to, just suppose you want to roll back to the initial level where it was. So you can give this date, Okay, enter. So now you are going to roll back it until the 15th of March. So what will it do? Let's see. Roll back until 15th of March. Yes. So you see, it is rolling back. It is rolling back until 15th of March, the August, and then it will go to July, and then it will go to, and it will clear the whole lot until the 15th of March, and it is going to report you the very initial level where it was in terms of performance, clearance of the backlog. So it is about to finish its job of rolling back until the date, that is 15th of March, the very beginning. Yeah. And it is going to list what it has done, and this is where it is from. This is the starting point. So you have seen that the rollback system, which we previously introduced here, it is working, means without any problem in it. No need to write another code for the code once written for the rollback and unperforming. That is working. That is still working, and that is now useful for us whenever we want to roll back. So it is going to list you down. It will show you the initial picture of the of this server. So when you select it again, so it's going to show you here blank, because there are no reports whatsoever entered of the backlog performance for GMSTU. It is the initial picture which we created when you created this account. So this was the picture of that. So this is how the system is working very well. That's fine. It is now time tested, and we will further add more features in it, and our dashboard will serve different variety of the calendars, variety of the performance rates, variety of the payable setup. And so in every task, every project has some dues. There are some performance status, there are some overdue status. So this is going to serve a greater purpose for anyone you wanted to use it for his own scenario. So all you need to do is create an account and use it, right? So later on, we are going to use this interface for the Outlook. I mean, so we will interface it with the Outlook, an email coming in from registered user, telling you want to tell to the system that now he has performed an activity. So in the subject, he would write how much. So if he says that he has performed 4 tasks, and so it will go and perform it, and it will uh, not these all messages will get suppressed, and the latest status will be emailed to the requesting users, right? You will get this information. Then now, on the basis of the information you provided, this is the status at the moment. So this is going to help everybody who want to keep a track of his overdues, dues, overdues, and performance, right? Thank you very much for watching.